In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off the highlight of moves on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and as you can see now it shows me the highlight of the last move, the previous position of a chess piece and its current position. If we would like to turn off that feature, we need to go to Settings, then Board and Pieces, and that's where we can easily find an option which is called Highlight Moves. To turn it off, click right here at this toggle, and then do not forget to click at Save to save the changes. And then if we go back to our game, we can see that it is no longer highlights the last move. That's how you can easily turn off or on last move highlight on chess.com.